Firstly, you will need to download the app. Visit the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for Apple devices such as iPhones. Once in the store, search Ask NHS and select it from the drop-down list. Once you have found the Ask NHS Virtual Assistant app with our logo, click to download. Once downloaded, you will have the option to open the app straight away by clicking Open, or you can locate the app on your home screen and open it like this. Upon opening, if you do not have an account set up, select Create Account. You will first be asked to enter your postcode. Click here and enter your postcode. Please note, this postcode must match the postcode you have registered with your GP practice. Once entered correctly, click Next. You will now be required to fill in a few personal details in which Ask NHS will then search the patient demographic service and pair with your GP practice. This is required for full functionality. Start by entering your surname. Then, to enter your date of birth, click on the date of birth field. A box will appear at the bottom of the screen. Simply scroll to select the correct date, month and year. Click Done and then select your gender. Finally, you are required to input your email address and to choose a password which will be used to log into the Ask NHS app. Terms of service and privacy policy are available to be viewed via the links. Click Agree to create your account. And you are now ready to use the Ask NHS app. Next time you use the Ask NHS app, simply select Sign In and sign in with your email address and password. Click Sign In and you'll be brought to the Ask NHS main menu. There is also an option to sign in via NHS Login, which you can do so by clicking here.